Hello folks, everyone here. We got a donkey Stomper 100V-HG. It was a 1 pill. Guess what? It's a 2 pill now. 222.90s. You'll have to cut it back. The guy I'm building it for and use it for a driver. It's got the regular barrel on it now. Give me a fit. I had to get it right for you. 15.5 volts. Let's look at it wide open to start with. Reflect power. 5 volt reverse. Worldwide. Input panel, worldwide, 100 watt slug, average power, worldwide, 90. 500 watt slug, average power, worldwide, 100, whatever. PP average, 500 slug. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, hello, audio, 1, 2, 3, hello, 450, it's a bad little box. Alright, you can cut her down though, like so. Worldwide, there's your 100 PP, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, break. You just have to cut her down, man. Just don't get crazy and blow anything up, using it for a driver, cut her wide open. I know what you're doing with it. But I had to do that, man. I couldn't get that thing to quit falling off, and I had to do something, and you wouldn't get the box that was doing that. It's acting up on you, so. There we go. Worldwide. You can key in this one forever. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Worldwide. Hello, bigger, worldwide. There you go, man. I gotta put your other end on. I'm gonna put this on this new. Oh, I'll put your wire in there too. I thought that's what you wanted. Then you got another. Let's see, another harness over here, man. And I'll put your wire on that one. But we should have you all fixed up there, Bo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Tens or 18 baby. It's back quiet.